Earnin lets you access money you've already earned from your paycheck before payday, while MoneyLion combines cash advances with banking tools and credit-building features. The way they calculate access and payout timing is what changes how much you can actually get and how fast it shows up. By the end, you'll know how each app determines eligibility, how cash access works in practice, and which one gives you more usable money depending on your income pattern. Earnin is built around your paycheck. It connects to your bank account and tracks your work hours or direct deposits. The idea is simple. You're only accessing money you've already earned, just before your employer pays you. The app is focused on fast access to earned wages. MoneyLion works as a broader financial platform. It offers cash advances through its system, but also includes banking services, credit tools, and spending features. Instead of focusing only on paycheck access, it builds a full financial profile around your account activity. Now break down what paying more actually means here. Earnin usually depends heavily on how much you've already earned in your current pay cycle. If your income is steady and trackable, you can access more of your earned wages before payday. If your income fluctuates, your access can change. MoneyLion bases cash access on your account behavior and activity inside its system. Since it includes more financial tools, access can vary depending on how you use the app and how your financial profile develops over time. Now, talk about how fast you actually get money. Earnin is designed for quick access to wages you've already earned. Once your hours or deposits are verified, the process is focused on speed and direct payout to your bank. MoneyLion can also deliver funds quickly, but it routes everything through a broader financial system that includes account checks and app-based eligibility decisions. Now the key difference. Earnin is tightly linked to your paycheck and focuses on giving you early access to earned wages. MoneyLion is broader and mixes cash access with banking and credit-building tools. So which pays more depends on what you mean. If your income is steady and you want early access to the money you've already worked for, Earnin can feel more direct and predictable. If you want a financial app that includes cash access plus other tools, MoneyLion gives you a wider system, but not always more immediate payout access. Here's the simple breakdown. Earnin is focused on earned wage access tied to your paycheck. MoneyLion is focused on a full financial platform with cash access as one part of it. Both use your income data, but they prioritize different outcomes. Do this next. Think about whether your income is steady enough for paycheck-based access, or if you want a broader financial app with multiple features. Then compare how often you actually need early access versus full banking tools. If your goal is direct access to wages you've already earned, Earnin is more focused. If your goal is an all-in-one financial app with cash access included, MoneyLion is the broader option.